Imagine a world where the dust of battle has settled, but the echoes of conflict linger on. The year is 1918, and the Great War has come to an end. But what if I told you that the real story was just beginning? Welcome to a world forever altered by the scars of World War I. World War I officially ended on November 11, 1918, marking a significant turning point in history. But the aftermath left a profound impact that reshaped nations, economies, and societies across the globe. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the lasting effects of this monumental conflict and how it set the stage for the world we know today. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. What do you think was the biggest change that came from World War I? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. First, let's talk about the Treaty of Versailles. This agreement not only ended the war, but also imposed heavy reparations on Germany. This created economic turmoil and social unrest, laying fertile ground for political extremism. Fast forward to the 1930s, and we see how these tensions contributed to the rise of Adolf Hitler and the onset of World War II. On the home front, the war changed societal roles forever. Women stepped into the workforce in unprecedented numbers, leading to major advancements in gender equality. The 1920s roared with newfound freedom, but it was also a time of tension as traditional norms clashed with modern ideals. Moreover, World War I spurred technological advancements that transformed warfare and civilian life. From tanks to airplanes, the innovations developed during the war carried over into peacetime, influencing everything from transportation to communication. So, while the guns fell silent in 1918, the reverberations of World War I shaped our world in countless ways. It taught us that peace is a fragile state, requiring vigilance and cooperation. As we reflect on this pivotal moment in history, let's remember the lessons learned and strive for a future where conflicts are resolved through dialogue, not war. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more captivating stories from our past. Together, let's explore how history continues to shape our lives today. Thanks for watching, and keep questioning the world around you.